Got them, they ain't real as they holler. How you my brother, you a sucker, niggas change. I sacrificed everything, you left me stranded in the rain. Both share the same partners, ain't sharing the same pain. I be banging the same game, but ain't shooting the same.
What's good, everybody? It's Salty Boy J back with another video, and today I got a mukbang. Is it a challenge? I don't think it's a challenge, man. Mukbang ain't no challenge. I don't know if it's a challenge or not, but all I know is we finna do this. We finna get lit. I'm gonna try to, you know, keep an audience this time. I got my fucking orange with me because I ain't eat shit all morning. Because I ain't know if I wanted to do a mukbang or reaction video. Looks like I'm doing a mukbang, nigga. So, without further ado, I'm gonna eat this orange and then we gonna call whatever place I want to eat. And we just go sit down, eat this food, and talk about some shit. And get some shit off my mind, alright? Simple as that. Let's get it. Let me call these people. Kiki. No, shut the fuck up with that shit, man. Alright, I'm dialing the number to the chicken place. Yes, I would like to place a delivery.
I can have the phone number, please.
702.
I need your name, please.
Jalen.
What can I get you today?
I take the 5-piece.
Okay. 1 second, please. And how did you want them?
Mild.
And what drink was that?
Sprite.
I'm sorry, Sprite?
Yeah.
Okay. What would that be all for today?
Yes, don't it come with fries?
Yes, that comes with the fries, ranch, and the can of soda.
Okay. That.
Alright, so the 5-piece fingers, mild with the Sprite.
Yeah.
The total's gonna just be cash or card today.
Cash.
And thank you. We will have that to you in about 45 minutes to an hour. Probably less.
Alright.
Alright, thank you. Have a nice day.
1 hour later.
How you doing? Alright, y'all, so the food is here, as y'all can see in the previous clip. So let's see what we got. Got some ranch, Sprite, and my food. Ooh, whoa, hold on. Just take a moment of that. I ain't trying to waste it, but hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah, you see it. So look, I'm gonna just do this mukbang right quick. We got napkins. That's a bag for the dough. You heard me? So let's talk about females, man. Females, like, females are the biggest players in the world. I'm new to this mukbang shit. Hold on. Let me pray first. That's good, guys, because let's take part with you. Amen.
What?
So, they got my favorite drink in the cut. Let's begin, man. Ooh, hold on. Ooh. I think it's pretty rude to talk with your mouth open. So I don't know how to do this mukbang shit. This is a big ass piece of chicken wing. I mean, chicken finger. Honestly, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna fail high school. Like, people say it's hard. People say you don't really do nothing because it's your last year. But I'm gonna step. Motherfucker. You heard me. I'm gonna step. Hallelujah. Praise that. Hey, if y'all wonder where I got this from, go to Google, type in Mr. Eats. EATZ. It should be right here. Yeah, go check that out. You will love it. I'm telling you. He delivers. He delivers. He delivers. Only if you in Las Vegas though. Honestly, I don't fuck with nobody. Fuck everybody. I'm my mama. Ain't nobody there when you need them. But when they need you, you always there. That's a fucking fact. Ain't nobody there when I need them. Nobody got you like God, and that's a fact. You know what I'm saying? I'm dripping ranch here. Nah, you can't get none. Let me taste this Sprite. Say I won't shake it. I know you said I won't. Here we go. Oh shit. Fuck that nigga. Oh God. That shit's so strong. Oh my God. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Everybody who supported me, I fuck with you on a high. I fuck with you on a high note. We gonna go. Saucy Boy Movement, go up with this YouTube shit. Mark my words. If I don't, remind me that I said this. I would have my nigga Saucy Boy K in here, but you know he had to go to Cali. Fine, here. Alright. Alright there. What's I want to talk about? What I want to talk about? Let me give y'all story time. On my first fight. You heard me? I'm gonna take this ketchup out of here. Alright, so it was about my first fight 7 to 10 years ago. It was like 10 years ago, I think. I was like 7, 8, or 9. So I'm gonna say 6 or 7 years ago. We were still living in this house. We lived in this house for so long. As you can see, a hole in the fucking door right here. So, yeah, I was in elementary. I'm like 5th or 4th grade. And this big ass fat dude was bothering me. Like, oh, I could beat you up. We just all wrestling outside, man. We at the park. We at the park kicking it around, man. We wrestling and shit like every other little kid do, wrestling, play fighting and shit. This big ass 5th grader with a fat ass belly came up. Came up to me. He was like, I could beat both of y'all up and shit like that. I'm like, nah, we just playing. We're not really fighting though. Oh God. I just blessed my heart. I got tears in my eyes and everything. Anywho, he was like, we both y'all up. We like, nah, we just playing. We not even for real. He was like, well, can I play? I'm like, yeah, you can play, bro. I let this nigga join us playing and shit. Blood punched me in my jaw so fucking hard. I thought he turned into the fucking Hulk without me knowing the type shit. He said, ha, bah. Oh shit. I said, we just playing, chill. He was like, oh, okay. So a few minutes later, he hit me hard as fuck again. It was my stomach this time. He uppercut me hella hard. Boom, out. Oh. Like, you know when you get hit hella hard? You did that, oh. I did that and farted at the same time. Oh. I'll tell you, I got up so fast. Oh shit. I mean, when I tell you I got up so fast, just like that, I was up. He was smiling in my face and shit. I'm like, man, nigga, that ain't funny. Do that shit. I'm gonna really sleep your ass. He started laughing. So I was like, all right, he think I'm playing. So I like do this shit, crack my knuckles and shit. And I walked back up to her. Bop, bop, bop. He, boom, big ass deuce on the floor, nigga. I tell you, I don't know if I can finish all this, bro. He felt so hard, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, he felt so hard. So then he had a friend. It was a girl, but she was a dyke or whatever. She black. Her name Kalia. So my nigga, she come up to me. She like, why you hit him so hard? I was like, he just hit me in my jaw so fucking hard. You didn't see that? She's like, watching the whole thing. He didn't hit you that hard. I musta. What? I said, hey yo, duty, come slap this bitch. Bros walked up to her. I promise on my life. No hesitation. Bro went up to her. Mom! Smacked the shit out. Her face did. She turned around like, type shit. I was dead as fuck. I ordered a little because I don't know if I can finish all this. Look, I'm full already off this shit. I'm just planning it now. Probably save it for later. Man, that was the funniest day of my life. I mean, he backhanded like a motherfucker. I felt like the man. I beat the biggest nigga in the hood up, nigga. I'm telling you. I beat blood up, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Man, let's talk about life. Fuck life, to be so honest. Fuck. I want to hear another story time. How we got away with hitting the lick. So it was about 2 years ago. I was like 10th grade. It was like 3 weeks into school, bro. I was messing with this clique. Or I made this clique. It's called D.O.B. A lot of people know it. If you go to Cheyenne, or even know me on Snapchat, you know D.O.B. There's a movement I started. I was done back then, my nigga. Like, I just wanted to fit in so bad. Now I don't care about that fit in shit. Like, that shit's so dead. But for real, now I don't care about that shit. Anyway, there's a couple niggas from there. I ain't gonna say no names. They know who they is though. We leaving Cheyenne football game or whatever, and then we slithered through these houses. They look like apartments, but they was houses. We slithered through them motherfuckers. And we chilling, we tripping with niggas. Like, it was some niggas we was tripping with. So we fought them or whatever, and then we ran. We ran to these other houses. We saw this like Lamborghini. It was tight as fuck. I promise y'all. It was a Lamborghini. It was like skinny in the front, got a big ass woody in the back. That shit was tight. It was red and black. I looked like a car of GTA. Yeah, we saw that. The windows was down a little bit, so we went. You know, like how skinny I was back then. I'm still skinny, but I pushed my arm through the window, popped the lock, opened it, and I opened the. I think I don't know if it's called the glove department, but it's right between the passenger seats. I pulled it open. It was like money right there. There's money in a chain. It's like $200 worth of money, and a big ass diamond chain. Took that shit, and we so dumb. We sat across the street from the house. It's like a park. It's like this big little. It's a little ass playground. We sitting across the street from the playground, like we ain't do shit. Knowing we did shit. He got us on camera and everything. But so like at least 15 minutes later, we hear sirens, like police sirens coming. Yum 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 yum. Delicioso. So we get to running. I mean, nigga, I'm so skinny, like I can't run that fast. Like the wind was blowing my ass back. Like, I'm playing about that. But we running. My skinny ass couldn't even get over the wall, like, Cause I was so weak back then. I gained a little bit of muscle, not a lot, but I gained a little bit of pounds of muscle. So I'm trying to hop the wall. It's like I'm same size as the wall, nigga. I'm same size as the wall. I'm shaking and shit trying to get over. I'm like, hey, dude, help me. So he give me a boost. Boom. I get over. He jump over. We dip it. We running through this desert by my house. So we running. Woo, I hop the gate. Then it's my wall. It's like this big. I jump over it. We hide in my house. Next thing you know, boom, 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 boom. We at my house. We at my crib right now. So we hopped through my window. Y'all can't see it. I don't know why I opened the door. But yeah, we hopped through my window over there. Opened the window, got in, all of us in there, and boom, closed the door. So the police hear us and shit, heard us and saw us and shit. So they drove around from the apartments into my houses, and then they knocked on the door. My sister went downstairs. Like, ma'am, did you see a couple of kids coming here? My sister called my name, Jay, shit like that. And then I tell you, I gotta ask them to my life. My mom. It's probably the worst. It's probably the worst mukbang you've seen ever. I'm about to get lit. That stuff is so good. I wish I had another one. Bro, I can't finish all this food. Look how much food I got left. Still got this ranch. Big ass piece. Big ass piece. Big ass piece. And then hella french fries. So, I might not even finish that food. I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I'm not hungry no more. I filled myself up. I had an orange and plus this. But I'm gonna still go. I'm kind of hungry. I'm tripping. Let's talk about these bitch ass females. Don't get me started, bro. Don't get me started. I'm saying fuck love right now, bro. I just got my heart broke. I ain't never think that happened to me, to be so honest, bro. I ain't never think that shit would happen to me, nigga. That shit kinda hot without ranch. That shit on my face. Alright. I'm gonna try to do like a montage. Ooh. Shit. Ah, bitch. Shit kinda hot. Hey. Ooh, I got something. I'm finna put on the beat. Nah, let's do it too much. But I'm finna try to freestyle rap, alright? Here we go. I got my heart broke by a bitch named. I ain't gon' say the name, but she know her name. She probably watching my video, I'll slap her in her face, and now I beat her bitch out left and up. Oh, that's on gang. I be killing that shit, bro. Oh shit, I be killing it. Hold on. I slapped her best friend. She know she ain't shit. I beat her ass up, cause she sucked my homeboy dick. I ain't even playing. Hold on. Look. You know I ain't Jay. Hold on. You know my name Jay, and you know I don't play, cause I hit him with the K. Her boyfriend gay. I slapped him in his face. He tried to say what up. I beat his ass up. I ain't even playing. No, I'm gang. No, I'm gang. I'm gang. Gang. Can't rap. I can't rap for shit. Oh. Look, you know I got my lotion. I use it every night. I ain't even playing with y'all feel right. Oh, hold on. Look, I got a speed stick. You gotta look. No homo, this shit sound okay. Look, I got a speed stick. You know, damn, bro, I keep messing up. Alright. I got a speed stick. We finna hit a lick. I swear on gang, nigga, all y'all niggas bitches. I'll slap your ass in your face and then you gonna have stitches. Hit your ass with a bulb. Like bulb in your head, you look like Stitch. Look, these little ass condoms in my fucking backpack. I wonder who put them in there today. Probably ugly ass bitch ass DJ, or probably ugly ass bitch ass KK. Hey, nah, but I can't do it, y'all. I can't do it. This, I can't finish. I finna save it for later. I'm full as hell. So, without further ado, if you made it to the end of this video, please like and subscribe. Tap the bell if you're new, so you don't miss none of the latest shit I post, like dead ass. And I'ma see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.